Ong aibut katana social welfare uba polling do ula ong ba ka jingeh jangka kam khayi ba ti drok kam dei tang ha ka jala Meghalaya kam dei ru tang ka jingeh jangka than hinrei ka dei ka jingeh ha ka par thei bar ko we hinrei ka Meghalaya ka hap mat ekani ka jingeh na ka daw jangki laidong ka bumut ba ka Meghalaya ka dei ka lentiyat ki brio na Assam bat Manipur bat ki we ki jala haba phai shiki pershang katana social welfare ula ong batang hapedeng ki hinyosngi lala bandan laitili ki program ba he hapo ka dream mission yakani uba pol ula ong hadien balakut ka program social welfare ban ai jingpin sung tho halor ki jingma na udrok kabla long ha state guest house taraghar hadien bala palat ya ka kali ai jing sumari ki bakirni di drok jang ka than tura uba lingdo ula ong ba ka sarkar ka pen khlan ya ka jinglet khenra de ki pulit shaki jaka bomji yo let ha ki pormenshwa bat kila dan ru ki brio ba sha bat ban ngat hapo ka PIDS NDPS act bat ban pen khlan te la kam ya ka kam khayi ba di drok la pen dan kam ru da ki dog squad ke nain Hakaway pat kalyang u MLA ka West Shillong but unong yalam ka UDP uba pol halo ka foreign contribution amendment bill araja apunriu ula ong habadan jing artatin daiban pha ashwa shaka joint parliamentary committee khnang babaro kinshai
It is with a lot of pleasure and sense of pride that on behalf of the Department of Social Welfare, I have this privilege as a token of inauguration of this facility for the Tura Center.
Thank you. Now you're in Meghalaya. Is there any reduction in drug cases in the state?
We have to look at this problem from a much wider perspective. You have to keep in mind that the problem of drug trafficking is not confined to Meghalaya. It is not even a regional problem. It is a global problem. And Meghalaya faces the brunt because of its proximity to the Golden Triangle. However, when it comes to efforts being made by the Social Welfare Department, if you can notice for yourself, in a span of 7 days, we have had 3 major programs under the DREAM mission. And today we could converse with a lot of youngsters in order to wean them away from drugs. On the other hand, we have also intensified policing, and the fact that raids have now started in areas that have not been covered in the past is also another major achievement of the state government. That apart, as we speak, the department is preparing a list of 10 fresh detainees who will be detained under the PIT NDPS, and so that it deters this kind of illegal and immoral trafficking.
So by when did
Complete everything in a matter of 2 months or so.
last time you informed us about those cases? What happened to these detainees? Were they convicted, or what happened to those cases?
In those cases, there are some who have whose detention has already been extended by 1 more year. That is the status as of now.
Well, when it comes to fighting against drugs, is
The last interaction with the media, I had informed that we are also contemplating a canine unit. Now that is functional. We have a dedicated dog squad, and also we are now in the process of having an administrative building in the Ratachera region, which is the gateway of Assam and Manipur entering Meghalaya. So we are also pursuing with the ministry about the procurement of a vehicle that actually scans and detects illicit narcotics. As a parliamentarian and in my individual capacity, I think the best course of action whenever there is any element of doubt or controversy is for that particular bill to be referred to a joint parliamentary committee, a JPC. A JPC will have all the wherewithal, the input to scrutinize every single line so that these legislations do not impinge upon anybody. So, in simple terms, send this to JPC.
Sir,